How to download YouTube music on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download your YouTube music on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to youtube.com from any of your browser, and once you're inside here, make sure you are already logged into your account. As you can see, I've already signed in. Now just tap on your profile icon from the top right corner, and you need to head over to this option that is YouTube Studio. So simply select it from over here, and it will take you to this page. Now simply scroll all the way down until the left section until you see the option that is audio library. So now simply select it. So once you select it, you will be shown all of the music which is available for free to use on YouTube. So you can basically download and use it to any one of your videos when you upload it for yourself, or you can also download any one of the sound effects available for over here. So you may notice that it has over 30 pages for your downloading free music available on YouTube. So it's a non-copyright music, you can use it freely. So to download it, you can just tap on this download button at the top right or right section of your music, and as you can see, it will automatically download it to your directory. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.